Imagine that one morning you wake up and realize everything you know about the world around is nothing but a lie. Same holds for your own self. As your carefully crafted fictions melt away, you find yourself perched precariously on the brink of an uncomfortable abyss. Yeah, there is no dystopian fiction here that you are reading. After all this time, Jordan Peterson is urging y'all to speak about it. Peterson's is an unrelenting, deeply candid call to rethink almost all of your self-imposed rationalizations and face up to the cold, hard truth that for many people searching for success and happiness often involves a day in front of a harsh reality. Peterson is not mincing words here. He tells it like it is, going right to the jugular of your pretense. The truth you are denying is not some minor piddling annoyance, it's an essential element of life and who you essentially are in that rainforest. That is the unadulterated reality that to truly rise up and live in any area of real success or personal fulfillment, you must, at some point, face your register of raw, fumbling incapacities. You may lie to yourself that you are working hard, heading in the right direction and success is around the corner. Peterson, however, dares to challenge so even more difficult question. Are you really telling yourself the truth about your suffering, or are you only developing a facade for comfort? Those were among his most devastating assaults on self-deception. They reveal you to the raw reality that, if you are not honest with yourself about your shortcomings and failings, then never will be rid of them. For a start, remember that Peterson isn't in the business of making you feel good. His goal is to boot you up out of your comfort zone and straight into confrontation with both your worst fears and most epic failures. Peterson keeps pounding in the cold truth that you have to own your life. If you are stuck or failed, it's your fault. The daunting responsibility is also liberating. By acknowledging and owning your power, however, you release the capability to effect change in your life. The message of Peterson isn't to mope about your mistakes chewed back. Its appeal is in the starting point for actual change. And here is where Peterson goes from the painfully obvious uplifter to a new sort of war drummer. He tells you to damn well stop being evasive and face the truth. The harsh reality is that the majority of people are in denial under a security blanket fabricated with excuses and self-justification. Instead, Peterson makes you dig deeper and realize your excuses are really just barriers preventing the best version of yourself from showing up. So what is the cool fact you can snatch and carry away with? It is really as easy that if you want to change your life, then first one thing need to be accepted, and I see the hard reality of our present. Jordan Peterson is not trying to make you feel bad, he just wants to motivate. He says that once you confront the hard truths of who and what are in your life long enough, heavy truth, they will begin to change. He invites you to 1. Stop pushing those harsh realities away, and 2. Take this confrontation as an opportunity of real growth by making the choice right now. Ultimately, you will decide. Are you going to keep avoiding all the unpleasant truths of your existence, or are bravely confronting them and building on top of these a brand new, improved version of yourself? The truth is, what Jordan Peterson forces you to realize. Embrace your uncomfortable truth, and you will only then truly start to change.